This is Science Week 30, Day 3. And as you know, this is a day where we look at the week and kind of assess what we've talked about and assess you to see what you have learned. You're going to create a model today, and you're going to use the pieces that are here. So at the side where it says there's a toolkit, you're going to want to use each one of those labels and those pictures. So you're going to use the flashlights to show brightness. You're going to want to use the person, he's from on the earth looking, so you might show him, and then you got to show our sun, and then you got to show the star, and that might be where you use your flashlights, and label the parts that you've got, and then use the arrows to label the brightness of the sun and the stars. Remembering that more arrows would be more brightness. So you're going to create that model, move those in so that it looks like those things that we have been talking about. If you can't remember how to manipulate those images and you need help with that, you can go ahead and look at the little video that is at the site, and that will help you do that. On the next page, you are being asked 2 questions. You need to answer both of these. The first one is, what is accurate about your model? So you might think about, well, what are the things that I'm able to be accurate about? I'm able to say, well, this person's looking when he looks from the earth. This is kind of what he sees. This is kind of about the brightness. Well, what's inaccurate? Think about, would it really be exactly as bright as you have shown? Is the scale correct? Think of what we talked about yesterday with the scale. So think about those things that are not going to be able to be accurate on your drawing and in your model that you created on this other page. So that's what you're going to do there. And as always on page 3, there is the rubric. And to get a 4, my model is clear, detailed, and correct. It shows why the sun is brighter using flashlights and arrows. And then the second part 2, is I'm able to clearly explain why my model is accurate or inaccurate and accurate. So you need to be really clear on your explanation for a 3. My model is correct. It shows why the sun is brighter using flashlights and arrows, and I'm able to explain why my model is inaccurate and accurate. The difference between a 3 and a 4 is the detail that is in your explanation and what you're showing in your picture. So hopefully that will go well for you, and good luck with that.